Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna see how to create a contact us page on Blogger or BlogSpot. In Blogger, a contact form is a feature that allows visitors to your blog to send you messages or inquiries directly through a form. Without having to use email, this can be a convenient way for your readers or potential collaborators to get in touch with you without revealing your email address publicly. So, creating a Contact Us page is essential for your website as it allows visitors to reach out to you with their inquiries or feedback. Having a way for your readers to contact you is extremely important. Your blog should have an easy-to-find contact page that implements a contact form. You can learn how to add a contact page to your blog using this tutorial or on Blogger or BlogSpot. Then follow the tutorial below to get a contact form added to your contact page as soon as possible. There are countless ways to add a contact form to your site, but today I'm going to share with you a method that works, or two methods, that works well on both Blogger and WordPress blogs. Blogger does have a new contact form gadget which allows you to easily add a contact box in the sidebar of your blog. Unfortunately, the contact form gadget does not allow the form to be added to a page, which is the ideal location for a contact form. In WordPress, there are a variety of great plugins like Contact Form 7 or Fast Secure Contact Form, which are easy to install and use. However, they require the use of a plugin, and having too many plugins installed to your site can slow it down. So if you started a blog on Blogger but not getting the option to add a contact form, that's really a thing that needs your attention because the Contact Us page is one of the most important pages in a blog, as I said. Whether you are going to apply for Google AdSense or applying for any payment gateway, they will first look at whether you have a proper Contact Us page added on your website or not. Also, it is important for your users as well. They can easily contact you for sharing their queries and feedback about your website or topics you write about. So, the Contact Us page is crucial for website, as I said before. And adding one to the Blogger platform is not that easy as it is in WordPress, because, like I said, WordPress has a lot of plugins for that. But don't worry, I know there is no plugin to create a contact form in Blogger, but still, I will show you some easiest methods you can follow to add a contact page in your Blogger blog. So, let's proceed without any further ado and add it now. The first method is the 123 form builder. This is my favorite option for adding a contact form in Blogger. 123 form builder makes building forms easy for non-WordPress websites like Blogger. 123 form builder has both free and premium plans that you can use. If you need a contact form for just one Blogger blog, then its free plan is perfect for you, because it allows you to create up to one form and receive unlimited submissions, and that's all you need if you have a one Blogger blog. The pricing on the 123 form builder is the basic, which is free. We have individuals, which is $19, and the team, which is $49, and there is the enterprise, which is a custom price. Now, let me show you how you can add a contact form in Blogger using 123 form builder. Step 1. Sign up for the site, but if you need more than one form for your Blogger, consider going with a premium plan. Enter your details like name, email address, and password to create an account with the 123 form builder. Either you can use your Google, Facebook, or Microsoft account to sign up with ease. Step 2. Choose the contact form template from the template gallery. It will take your work easy as it comes with default fields already added. You just need to customize fields to match your requirement. Step 3. Just after selecting the template, you will see the 123 form builder interface. Just click on any field you want to customize. You will get the customization option on the left side. You can change the label, is that field require, instructions, and many other things. Also, you can add new fields if you want, dragging from the left side to the form where you want to add the field. Step 4. Once you are done with the form adding and your form is ready to publish, hit the Publish button on the right top corner and navigate to Platforms, Blogger. You will be seeing a code that you will need to paste on your Contact Us page in HTML mode. If you don't have a contact page already created, create one by going to Pages, Add New. Paste the code you copied from the 123 form builder. Once everything is set up, hit the Publish button. That's how you can add a contact form blogger using the 123 form builder. The second method is to contact form using Blogger's Contact Us gadget. Blogger has the option to add the Contact Us form, but not on the pages. This gadget can only add the form which the sidebars, so you can easily add the contact form on your Blogger blog's sidebar. But we need to add the contact page. That's what we are looking for. Well, let me help you with this and show you how you can add a contact form on a page using the Contact Us gadget available in Blogger. Go to Layouts from your Blogger dashboard and click on the plus Add the gadget on the sidebar. Then search for the contact form gadget, add it to the sidebar. Now the contact form is added, but in the sidebar, not on the page where you want to add it. So now you have to hide it from the sidebar. Follow the below instructions to hide the form from the sidebar. Go to Theme from your Blogger dashboard, then click on the down arrow beside the Customize and click on Edit HTML. Now search for this comment I'm going to show you on the screen and place the below code before it. After adding the code, hit the Save button to make the changes live on your Blogger site. Now the contact form is hidden from your blog's sidebar. Now let's add the contact form on a page. First, create a contact page by going to Pages, Add New, name it Contact or Contact Us, and choose HTML View. Paste the following code on the page in HTML View. You will find the code text under the description. Just note that make sure to change the blog ID with your blog ID, which you can easily find from the URL of your Blogger dashboard. Go to your Blogger dashboard and see your URL. Copy the 18-digit blog ID from there and replace it with the blog ID in the code. Now publish the page to make it live on your blog, and congrats, you have successfully added the contact form in your Blogger blog. And that's it. This is how you can add a contact form in your Blogger blog. It's not that much tough as it seems because of not having plugins to create forms in Blogger as we have in WordPress. You just need to follow the methods and I have shared above. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and I will see you on the next one.